welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today, we have a little half recipe, half vlog, half awesomeness.
All awesomeness.
All awesomeness. First, we need to go to the farmer's market and get some produce. Let's roll it. Okay, so you're probably going, Josh, what are you making today? We're gonna be doing some St. Louis pork ribs on the pit barrel cooker, but I was thinking, and I talked about it in the live last night, I wanna do like strawberry jalapeno barbecue sauce. A little sweet, a little spicy. So at the farmer's market, we picked up all the produce that we need, fresh strawberries, a bunch of different stuff, jalapenos. It's gonna be awesome. Home cooks, follow this recipe. Get yourself a pit barrel cooker. Rib time. It's ribs, it's beans, it's corn, it's a barbecue, it's swimming, it's farmer's market. It's awesome. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go!
We're gonna start by making our best attempt at a strawberry jalapeno barbecue sauce. Yep. So we've been doing research. Once I said I want a sweet, savory, spicy barbecue sauce, and you could put beer in it, you could do all kinds of things. So finally you just said, forget it, you're doing it. So
we're doing it.
What are we doing, babe?
Okay, we have
strawberries,
onions.
but we didn't buy the onion at the farmer's market.
No.
Because
Why?
Babe refuses to cut onions.
Because I don't like cutting onions. Okay, jalapenos, apple cider vinegar, chili powder, tomato paste, brown sugar, olive oil,
And garlic.
garlic.
And somehow you're gonna turn that into a barbecue sauce.
Now I need to pull out my garlic. 5 cloves I'm gonna use, maybe 6, I don't know.
We love a garlic.
I love garlic, so.
So basically you're going to...
I'm gonna chop my garlic up in my Ninja. And then I'm gonna put the onions and the garlic in a pan with a little olive oil, and we're gonna heat them up until they're translucent. So we're gonna turn our burner onto like medium heat. We're gonna put some olive oil in there. It's about a tablespoon of olive oil. And we're gonna put our onions and our garlic in to cook. You don't wanna brown them, so you don't want the heat too high. And you wanna put the olive oil in cold and put everything in at once. Don't wait for it to heat up, otherwise it will brown them. So we don't waste.
So you bought 3 baskets of strawberries at the farmer's market.
Right, I asked the lady, I wanted about 2 pounds worth. We wanted to have a little extra for the kids. And she gave us this, and she said this is about 2 pounds. So we're gonna use almost all of these, because this is the base of our BBQ sauce.
BBQ sauce. And you're gonna throw those in the pot, and then you're gonna mash. You're gonna Vitamix this all at the end. That's your plan?
That's my plan.
That's Babe's plan.
I wish I could just throw it all in the Vitamix right now and turn it on soup mode, and it would make...
Babe, we're making barbecue sauce, not soup.
I know, but it could, like, do it.
No, babe, no. We want the thickness, babe. The thickness.
Yeah, man, the thick.
T-H-I-C-C. Thick. Next.
I'm chopping it like it's hot, babe.
Are you pulling the seeds out or are you leaving them in?
We're leaving them in.
This is when we slow it down and put sexy music while you're chopping it?
Yeah.
You did 2 pounds of strawberries, a cup of onion, 6 cloves of garlic, and 5 jalapenos.
Yes.
Babe, this is your experiment. If it doesn't work, I'm still publishing the video.
Oh, boy.
Chili powder today because we ran out.
Okay, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Okay.
Now you're doing some tomato paste.
Tomato paste. 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. 4 tablespoons.
So pretty much the whole can of tomato paste. Now what are you doing, babe?
Okay, now next up is brown sugar. I think this is the base of most barbecue sauces because they're very high in sugar. 1 cup packed, and then some. Okay? There we go. We're gonna use cider vinegar. This is also good for gut health. If you need to make detox drinks, or you
Yuck.
take 1 shot of it a day, it really helps your tummy.
And now you mash.
Now we mash.
Is that your plan?
That's what I'm gonna do.
Babe,
Right.
so the plan is now is to mash all that up,
Yes.
bring it to a boil, bring it down, let it simmer. It's going to be chunky. But that's when the Vitamix comes in.
Yes.
And then after that, it's going to be barbecue sauce.
And then it's going to be
And then you're going to add salt and pepper and a partridge in a pear tree and pray.
I guess so.
And pray.
And see what happens.
Okay. Smell like barbecue sauce yet?
Sure.
Babe! I'm posting this no matter what happens. Describe to the folks the smell right now. What? Babe, this is your creation.
It smells like, I don't know, apple cider vinegar and Worcestershire sauce. Right here.
There's your pot of sauce.
My pot of sauce. I'm going to ladle it in.
So how long did you simmer it for total?
35 minutes.
35 minutes. After you brought it to a boil.
Yeah, and it got it kind of thick.
Okay.
Now we're going to put it into the Vitamix. Okay?
Yeah.
All of it. It definitely smells like barbecue sauce now. I think it's going to be good. You ready?
Are you ready to use your anniversary present that I got you?
Oh, yes. I am. I love it. Just on low.
Hot, babe.
Very hot here.
But we want to see the thickness. The people want to see the thickness, babe.
It's still too chunky.
It needs to be purified a little more. Okay, what do you think?
It's really good.
What does it taste like, babe?
I don't know. It just...
Babe, we need to flavor profiles.
It's sweet. Vinegar. You can taste the vinegar. And it's got a hint of spice, but not too much.
And we left the seeds in, 5 jalapenos.
I mean, it's good. I like it.
It tastes vinegary, but what is the flavor? What is the?
See?
Let me have more. Let me.
That's
let me
what I
have
said. What is the flavor?
It's gonna be super good on ribs. What? And you haven't even added any salt yet.
No.
Once you salt it,
It's good. I think it's pretty tasty, babe.
I think you did a really good job, babe.
So it was tasting a little bit bland and a little bit too vinegary. So what I did is I added about 1/3 of a cup of salt, and it changed the game. And it's perfect.
And
now.
a little black pepper.
And black pepper. It cut the zing down from the vinegar, and it brought the flavor up. It's so good. It's perfect now.
Okay, so now these St. Louis ribs, trimmed them up all nice, pulling the membrane off, making sure that they're all squared away. Okay, so we're gonna be using the hot and spicy Rich's River Dirt on this. And besides that, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt as well. And then we're gonna use the Rich's River Dirt all-purpose on our other racks. This rack is gonna be for our strawberry jalapeno barbecue sauce. And then we're probably just gonna use like a Sweet Baby Ray's or something like that on our other 2 racks. All right, so we got our 3 racks of St. Louis, hot and spicy, all-purpose. And then this one right here is going to be a sweet rub. Okay, following the instructions of the pit barrel cooker, we lit the charcoal in their pit barrel cooker chimney. Everything's good. Love the pit barrel cooker. We're going to be using apple wood today. Ooh, it's so bright out here. Apple wood for these ribs. It's going to be fantastic. Let's dump the charcoal. This is our hot rack right here. This is our hot rack. That's one of the hot on it.
Spicy rub.
That's a spicy rub.
Strawberry jalapeno.
This is our sweet rack.
Sauce.
It's our sweet rack right here.
You should put that one by itself so
Look
we
at-
know. 'Cause
look at
that's
this,
for the
babe.
kids.
Look at this. Ooh.
Yeah, that's good. Delicioso.
Okay, then. Look down in the barrel there. Look at what we're working with.
Ooh, baby.
Get it nice and tight. Woo, that is smelling fantastic already. Just that apple wood burning. All right, babe, let's get the lid on and here we go. All right, so this is our sweet rack. You can see this has been 2 hours, a little bit over 2 hours. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap. We're gonna use some of this Kerrygold Irish butter, which is absolutely fantastic. We just wanna put a little bit of butter knobs on there. Okay? And you know what? I'm gonna flip it meat side down. Okay, so I want that butter to melt into the meat side. Then I'm gonna get a little bit of brown sugar. Okay. Obviously want a tiny bit of apple juice, just to wetten your palate. And we're gonna put this sweet rib meat side down. I mean, this is just gonna be fantastic. We're gonna put this back on the pit barrel cooker. It's gonna be ridiculous. Okay, now, this is our hot and spicy rib. Okay, you can look, it's coming along beautifully. The color is just amazing. Look at this. Oh, it's already coming apart in my hands. Okay, so you see that right there? Awesome. Now, we want a little bit of apple juice for that moisture. And we're gonna hold that moisture in there. And again, we're gonna wrap it. And then our strawberry jalapeno barbecue sauce is gonna go on this later. But we wanna get that wrap, hot and spicy rub. This is gonna be the strawberry jalapeno barbecue sauce. This is not children safe. This is adults only. This is adults only ribs right here. So we got our hot and spicy. We got our hot and spicy on top. We got our all-purpose, and we got our sweet on the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna pull this lid off. And the key with the pit barrel is you gotta keep the lid off sparingly. If you keep the lid off too long, you're gonna have a raging inferno inside. So to the left, meat side down, we're gonna put that. Okay, all-purpose in the middle. Okay, all-purpose in the middle, and then the sweet to the side. Ooh, we're packing them in the pit barrel right now. Okay. I don't know, hour and a half maybe. Get those wrapped up. Let's get this lid back on. We're ready. All right, so it's been an hour and 10 minutes, and we're gonna unwrap these. This is the spicy one, sweet one, all-purpose one. Okay. Oh, we got children in the background. We got just all kinds of nonsense going on here. But it's gonna be delicious. Woo! That's a hot meatball. Look at this. Look at this. What are we doing right here? Look at the pull back. You can see the smell, the juices. I mean, come on. This is the hot and spicy one right here. I mean, look, the bones are almost pulling out. It's ridiculous. So this is Babe's strawberry jalapeno barbecue sauce. Okay? We're putting, I mean, it smells fantastic. This is gonna caramelize. It's gonna be just literally epic. Flip this rack. Look at the meat side. Look at the bones right here. Okay? Babe, a little bit more on the top. And we're gonna hang these again. Good load.
That's a lot.
Yeah. Look down here. We have the hanging grate. This is a pit barrel cooker accessory. All right. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna put one of these rods in.
That's what she said.
We're gonna do the all-purpose. Okay. The all-purpose is going up front. Let's get that all-purpose up front, babe. The sweet rub. Okay. Sweet rub. And in the back is our experimental barbecue sauce in the back. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab these corns. I'm gonna grab these corns right here. Babe made a little elote. Look at that. Look at that, babe. Babe, look at me making a barbecue mess everywhere with my gloves.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, we are. First taste. What do you mean? That's Babe's homemade barbecue sauce. That hot and spicy Rich's River Dirt rub. Oh, yeah, Babe. So the hot and spicy ones are on the bottom, and then look at these other two. I mean, my goodness, that's Sweet Baby Ray's. That's easy stuff right there. Babe, lift it up. Oh, come on. The pit barrel cooker's a rib machine.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, how's your corn doing?
I don't know, but we
Oh, babe, what are you doing?
fell off.
No, it didn't. Babe, we haven't even done the Babe, come on.
It fell off.
This is your special rub. The whole thing. Okay, come on, talk about it.
It's great.
Let me look at it.
It's got a lot of bite. You can't even taste the strawberry.
Hello. Babe, how is the barbecue sauce that you made, babe? This is important.
It's fantastic.
How does everybody like it? How does the baby like it? How does everybody like it?
You try it? Tell me what you think, Liv. It's fantastic. It's got a lot of spice.
Are you surprised that with the 2 pounds of strawberries that
It tastes a lot different than I thought it would.
really?
Mm-hmm.
But it pulled it off. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. You're impressed with your own barbecue sauce.
I am. I'm bottling it.
You're bottling it.
Babe's Q.
Babe's Q.
That's it. That's a thing now. Babe's Q.
Oh, man, that was good. Ooh, babe.
It tastes so different.
That adds a little bit of heat all of a sudden.
It tastes so different on the meat than it like cooked. Than
That
it did by
is
itself.
that is the king pork sauce right there.
It's good.
Babe, your barbecue sauce is really good.
Yeah. I agree. I'm proud. I'm pretty proud. It's good.
You did good, babe. Your
Score.
barbecue sauce is a score. Woo! The pit barrel cooker and your barbecue sauce, winner, chicken rib dinner.